Hello kids, how are you all doing today? Are you all fine? That's nice. So today, let us listen to a story of letter B. Can you tell me what's the sound of letter B? Yes, it is B. B, B, B. Once there was a boy whose name was Bob. Yes, a boy. Boy. Bob went with his mother to the park riding on his bicycle. That's right, a bicycle. Bicycle. As he entered the park, he saw a balloon seller. Balloon seller. Bob bought a big blue balloon. Yes, a blue balloon. Blue balloon. While Bob was playing with his balloon, he saw a colorful butterfly. Yes, that's right, a butterfly. After watching the butterfly, Bob was very hungry. So, Mama opened the basket. Basket. And she pulled out some lovely biscuits. Yes, biscuits. Along with the biscuits, she also gave Bob a banana. Yes, banana. Mama gave Bob a banana. After having his snacks, Bob pulled out his bat and ball and started to play. Bat, bat, ball. On their way home, Mama took Bob to a toy shop and bought him a big teddy bear. Yes, that's right, a teddy bear. Bob was really very happy. So did you like the story, kids? Okay, let us look into a few more words that start with letter B. Boat, books, bag, bell, and body. There are many more words. So, revise the letter B along with its sound.